Well, it's been over 24 hours.
I assure you that every available man is on this case, Mr. Chapman.
It's times like these when I wonder why we pay you people.
Listen here, you simpering little twit. You were foolish enough to invite the Penguin. Now it's his party.
What is it?
The ransom note. He wants $1 million from her trust.
Petty cash, easily done.
There's just one catch, Mr. Chapman. He wants you to make the drop.
The drop? Go to the corner of Bar and Engelhart.
Look sharp, boys. Shouldn't be long now.
Hello? Boo. Penguin? Is that you? It's Pierce. I've got the money.
I knew I could count on your kind.
Right. I'll just leave it here, and you can pick it up at your convenience.
Not quite, my friend. Take exactly one step out of the booth, turn left, and start walking.
How far?
You'll know when you get there.
We lost him in the sewers.
Time to disembark. Don't forget your luggage. That's right. Just follow my mellifluous chirp.
Ah! What's happening?
Pierce!
Oh, my lord!
Help!
I believe you two know each other.
Hey, what is this?
The end of the show, when the fat bird sings.
Please, Oswald, if it's money you want, I can get you more.
Shut up! All I wanted from you, dearie, was a little friendship. That would have cost you nothing. But now you'll pay. Huh? I believe this calls for an acceleration of my plans.